whether IGST to be charged or CGST, SGST or CGST, UTGST to be charged, etc., etc. Okay. So now we will be going further as our concept related to place of supply is clear. We did few illustrations also. So we'll be doing the full length illustrations, examples to understand it in a better way. And let's have a practice for place of supply. This is a question for you. If X Limited is located in Mumbai, receive an order from Y Limited located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat for supply of one machine. Find the place of supply and applicable GST. So what's your answer? Yes, Samida.
Sir, the place of supply is Mumbai, and the applicable GS, like it becomes interstate, like between two states. So IGST.
Rusti?
So same answer.
थोड़ा ध्यान दो. एक बार वापस चेक करो. If someone else is coming with.
So place of supply.
Location of
Your अच्छा चलो बोलो. Good, you realize. इधर गड़बड़ है.
Of supplier Mumbai पढ़ा दूंगी of Ahmedabad of supplier Mumbai, place of supply Ahmedabad और applicable जो GST रहेगा वो IGST है.
Yes. Is this Mumbai wala is getting order? Order will be executed where? This is just an order. Is transferring the goods. Have you got this? See, this person, X Limited from Mumbai, has got an order from Y Limited, which is situated in Ahmedabad. So I have received the order. Now later on, I have to supply the goods where? So what will be then place of supply? Got it? क्या गड़बड़ कर रहे थे आप लोग? This is the question of section 10, subsection 1, clause A. He has got an order. और always याद रखना, this is destination based tax. Understood, everyone? Then I believe next example you can take it up with your own. The second one you can do it with your own. Yes or no? I hope now little knowledge of GST you must have gained. Yes, very important. For your personal and professional life, these subjects are very, very important. Can I have your answer, please? Who will try? A and B both located in Kerala. B
Some
came to
place
shop
of
of A.
supply. So place of supply will be Kerala only, and applicable GST will be CGST and SGST.
Musti. Very good, Tanya. Very nice. So I hope now you must have understood how the things will move. There are two Vaishnavi in your class. वैष्णवी सावंत करके भी कोई है क्या?
हाँ सर.
8013.
हाँ.
Really it is horrible. तुम्हारे क्लास में मेरे को एक एक स्टूडेंट के लिए देखना पड़ता है. Very torture to take your session. Vaishnavi Sawant, kindly put your video mode on. वैष्णवी सावंत जिन्होंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है.
Yes, sir.
Kindly change your DP. Okay, I want the passport size photograph. Okay, can we proceed? Next question. Now I will not guide. अभी सब तुम लोग खुद से करो. Read, because in exam I might not be there. Read, and that's why I'm always asking you read twice, thrice. Tanya, or there is new name Sakshi 7722, but there is no DP, so I am removing. मेरा clear है, without DP no one will be allowed. And where I have got the suspicion on DP, I will ask them to put their video mode on. Now I can lock the room also because it is already 9:05. You all can guide your other teacher also. Who is this? कौन बोल रहा है?
राधेश्याम.
हाँ बोल, क्या हुआ?
Sir, is will be the GST, SGST, and CGST.
तेरा वॉइस थोड़ा क्रैक हो रहा है, कैन यू कम अगेन?
Sir, I was saying that will be the GST of this 23rd example, SGST and CGST.
Okay, and place of supply?
Mumbai, right?
Let me see, I don't know.
सर सर
बोल.
सर ऐसा अपने चेन्नई होगा और लगता है
चेन्नई होगा, ओके.
सर जीएसटी और चार्ज आईजीएसटी मतलब इंटर
Okay.
इंटर इंटीग्रेटेड
Okay, thank you, Aradhya. Any other answer? Because now I want you to apply your brain. It might be right or wrong. We will see, no? Answer तो ही अपने पास. But I expect you should try. If you are getting confused, you write, read loudly and try to understand what exactly question wants to see. So, discuss. So, Mrs. Karina Limited incorporated in Mumbai and owns a godown in Chennai. Mr. M of Mumbai approached Mrs. Karina Limited of Mumbai for purchase of goods lying godown at Chennai. Mr. M further informed that he does not want delivery of goods in Mumbai. Mrs. M issued an invoice for sale of goods in Mumbai. Okay. Find the place of supply and levy of tax. So Aradhya, you were right. Under section 10, 1C, section 10, subsection 1, clause C.
Sir,
हाँ बेटा,
I actually thought that it would be CGST and SGST. Can you tell me why
Why?
it's IGST?
see, because M is very much clearing that he do not want the delivery in Mumbai. Then where he want the delivery? In Chennai.
So the go down is also in Chennai and the delivery is also in Chennai. Then why IGST? That's my question.
No, no, no. So then in that case, what is happening from where the invoice is raised?
Okay. Okay, the invoice is from Mumbai, that's why. Okay.
Those who have completed can go for next question. Yes, Samida. Let me first read the question for everyone. Mrs. X Limited has place of business in Chennai, being NBFC, given an asset under financial lease to Mrs. ABC Limited of Chennai. The said asset so far used by Mrs. ABC Limited in their factory located at Hyderabad. At the end of the lease period, the said asset is acquired by ABC Limited at a nominal rate. find the place of supply of goods and levy of GST. Yes, Samira.
So the place of supply is Hyderabad.
Okay,
The IGST will be applicable
absolutely
and
right.
10(1) CC.
So when we'll do 5-10 questions, the fundamental of this will also be clear. Probably this week it will be done. Today is what? Friday. कल भी lecture है ना अपना? हाँ, हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Then next week we'll
Yes,
start
sir.
with time of supply. So after this again I will take you to the round of CGST Act. बस यही 4 सेक्शन के लिए अपने को IGST पढ़ना है. That's it. And then we will continue with CGST, everything. Now what we will start as section 12 to section 30, that is completion of your syllabus. Everything belongs to CGST Act only. So many of you have done it. Go to next. Simple है. Yes, Priya.
Place of supply is Delhi under section 10.
ना अच्छी तरह से read करो. Mr. D located in New Delhi place an order on Mr. Delhi of New Delhi for installation of air conditioned machine in his factory located in Chennai. Mr. D procured the indoor and outdoor unit, set of plugs, electric cables, distribution boards, and other items from different states in India, and arranged the delivery at Chennai. The said machine assembled by Mr. D. Delhi in Chennai. Find the place of goods and levy of tax.
Place of supply is Chennai under section 10 or IGST applicable.
Which section? Which section?
Under section 10(1).
Clause, rather clause. Yes, Samida, go ahead.
The section 10 subsection 1 clause E.
One clause.
So where the assembling will take place, okay, that will be the place of supply. Section 10, subsection 1, clause D. याद है? The assembling is taking place in Chennai. ऐसे ही confuse करेंगे D, Delhi, ऐसे सब देंगे. So that you should make mistakes. Examiner तो चाहते ही कि आप error करो. That's why you read it twice, thrice, and then write the answer. Okay. I hope एक homework बनता है. We have less than a minute. जाते जाते एक homework लेते जाओ. Then we'll continue tomorrow. Let me read this question. Chennai Express train going from Chennai to Cochin. Messrs X Limited, located in Cochin, has supplied the foods which are given to the passenger during night time. The food packets are located in Chennai Central Station, Chennai. Find the place of supply of goods and levy GST. Kindly take down